Addicted to ammo here again. Alright, another Walmart ammo update. Last night I was able to get 2 boxes of a Federal 550 .22 long rifle. They were $23.97 a box. Grand total of $51.30 on September 11th, 2013. 12-year anniversary of September 11th. I was able to get these 2 boxes. Didn't pick up any of the 223, but I really wanted to kind of have to take a little break from buying up as much ammo as I had. Time to pay some bills. Anyways, there's your daily ammo update.